In this video, I will show you how to get coal in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So the benefit of having coal is, of course, you can build coal plants which generate a lot of power for your city. However, be aware that they do cause a lot of pollution. And to power these, of course, you do need coal. So to actually get hold of coal in Cities Skylines 2, what you can do is buy and import coal from other cities. So this is similar to electricity. What you can do is buy this from other cities, which of course does cost money. Now, as you get further into the game, you do actually get the option to mine coal, but you don't get to do that straight away. So if you are just starting off in Cities Skylines 2, what you will need to do to get hold of coal is import this from other cities. And as you get further into the game, you can actually start mining coal from the ground. So that is how to go ahead and get coal in Cities Skylines 2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.